Right, there is horse number down under Florent Giroux, coming out of stall number 9. Nick, going to be very interesting and all telling as to what happens in the race.
Yeah, I kind of half wonder whether is it going to be the... You saw that over in Saudi, stuck about until the dying moments when the worldly crown. They've noted that he's got stall 9. They've got isolate towards that inside. I'm just fascinated with Florent Giroux, because if he's fit and firing a month after Saudi and he can run like he did...
Competition of 4:10 at Apron Views. We will see you there. That is the best dressed... You're a non-runner and the best dressed man.
All right.
No, don't win anything else. So good luck to all taking part in that. Good luck to number 2, the Godolphin Mile, sponsored by MR. To call them home, Pat Comerford.
Thank you very much. The mile marker here for the Godolphin Mile, race 2, our first event of 8 thoroughbreds this afternoon and into the evening for our Dubai World Cup night program. Has come up into line. Up comes Eastern World. And Isolate and Remorse. Isolate back on the home deck looking to... Here is Remorse loading away to complete the field here for the Group 2 set to run. Shane Ryan hits the lever. We are underway in the set. Start well. Pressing up with Saudi Crown, who's sold forward early with Walk of Stars and D Crown to the lead. Southern Artist was next, 3 wide improving from 2 Rivers Over, then Proper. From Kareeb, working through runners in the centre was a Caramel Chip, followed there by the outside by Scotland Yard and Remorse, who's deepest of all, without a back and in the back half of the field against the boys here this afternoon. First early splits here, 13.78 at a nice tempo. It is Isolate the leader, who takes over the running here from Walk of Stars, who's next in running there in 3rd position was a Saudi Crown, who's about half a length off the speed, now a length. Then came Eastern World, Southern Artist being pressed along. Caramel Chip was next from Desert Wiz, only got 4 behind him. They were Scotland Yard, Remorse, Kareeb dropping away, and Pacholi being eased out of the contest with 2 furlongs left to travel in the Godolphin Mile. And Isolate comes up to the air off from two Rivers Over. Eastern World, Saudi Crown not travelling, running in. Artist who's trying to pick up some ground. It's Isolate here back to the UAE, trying to get the win here. He's pegging them back here on the outside. Walk of Stars, the running rail. Walk of Stars hits the lead. 2 Rivers over the outside though. 2 Rivers Over. 2 Rivers Over takes the Godolphin Mile. Second over Isolate, who's held the final place in the frame. Then came Desert Wisdom, followed by Never Got Warm in the late stages. Scotland Yard was next from Eastern World, who knocked up with Kareeb. Disappointing here in the Godolphin Mile, and Pacholi was the rear horse the entire way for the...
Wow, 2 Rivers Over has worn them down late on in the Godolphin Mile. 2 Doug O'Neill, another winner at Meydan for Doug. That's where we thought it might go, because this 2 Rivers Over of Stars, massive run out of 3, a career best under Tygo shape, but turning in, he was in an excellent position under Maldonado, and he has worn that couldn't dominate. That was disappointing, but I think he needs to be at his very best. Look back at that Saudi Cup race, see he had a really hard race up at the pace throughout, and that's something to bear in mind going forward to the World Cup later on, because but this horse has 2 Rivers Over. He found a few too good 1800 at Santa Anita, but that would have put him right for this off the back of a bit of a break to his track record breaking form from a couple of starts ago over the 7th. Test at this trip is what he wants, it's what he got. And bred by Allied Racing Stable, ridden by Edwin Maldonado, trained by Doug O'Neill, with the red noseband now in shot, takes out the Group 2 Godolphin Mile.
Two Rivers Over has won the Godolphin Mile. Edwin Maldonado, well done indeed. A huge...
We just wanted a good break, you know. He